Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video for this week. So this week I'm doing a plan with me in my mini HP bullet journal. This is my work planner, so let's begin. Hey everyone, so I have everything already sketched out, ready to go. So as usual, I'm using some of my favorite pens that I usually use often. Of course, I'm using the Tombow brush pen in 603 for the lavender. And then we also have my favorite gray pen that I'm not sure what color this is anymore. We also have this color, Crayola Super Tips in this color. I may be using some brush pens, which I have right here, the Zebras and the Tombow brush pens. And then I will be using some of the fine liners, the Uniball Signo DX. This one I cannot pronounce the name. And also this Pentel sign pen for brushed lettering. So I'm going to do the left side first before the right side. So first I'm just gonna use the 0.3 pigment liner to draw over the boxes. Here's a ruler. It is, so I'm going to use this Pentel sign pen to write in September. There. Then I want to draw these little sparkles with the Uniball Signo DX pen in 0.38. These are one of my favorite pens that I found last year and have been using it. There. So I have the lavender already drawn out, so I'm just gonna do all these little petals. That's one side, and then the next side. Again, these lavenders don't have to look perfect. I'm just kind of like scribbling really fast. Of course you can make yours look really realistic, but I'm not that a great drawer, so I'm not that particular in these drawings. I have the lavender color. I'm just gonna color over it really quick. Like I said, it's not perfect. I just do really like little fast dabbles. Like I go over it really quick to add some color into the spread. And now I'm just gonna write in dates with this Tombow brush pen. We're done on this side. I'm just gonna erase off screen. So now I'm on the right side of the spread. Again, I'm using the pigment liner to trace over the boxes. Again, I'm just gonna draw in this little sparkles with the same pen. I'm just gonna draw in the lavender. I'm just gonna write in the little quote using the same pen. And I'm just gonna write in the weekdays, and then we're done. I'm gonna erase this off screen and then you'll see the final piece. I did color the lavenders off camera, but here's the final spread. And here's the spread inside my planner. So here it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. See you guys next week. Bye.